You like it? Right there, you got the little living room. This is spacious. It is. I love it. Okay. Y'all don't understand how freaking proud of myself I am of this space right here. I worked so hard on this, especially getting those frames up. That was like the biggest challenge ever. And I still see a few imperfections here and there because I didn't measure. I just went eyeballing it like I do everything else. But I'm gonna leave it alone because this is as good as it gets right now. So quick little story on these frames. I bought them from a New York & Company store in Maryland that was actually closing down. So they were going out of business and they were selling their frames, everything, mannequins. And I walked in there and saw them and I was like, oh my God, let me get 3 of those. I think I paid $10 each, so it was $30 total. The backing was all messed up and I had to repair it. So I switched out the screws in the back, all of that stuff, taped it down because the pictures in the frames were like wobbly, popping out. So it was a whole DIY. So this one didn't come with this little bracket thing to hold it in. So I grabbed a little nail and just stuck it in there to hold it in place. Yeah, these other ones are done. Still have a few little marks and stuff that the spray paint didn't cover, but it's okay. I'm gonna actually get a Sharpie, a black Sharpie, and go over the little spots. But yeah, it's as good as it's gonna get. Damn, did I put it backwards? I would do that. Oh no, I didn't. It goes this way, I think. Oh my God, I think I put it backwards. I repaired the back, and to get it up here, instead of going out and buying more things to fix it, I ended up using some push pins on these two because the type of hanging system that it had was like, I don't know how to explain it. Let's see if I can show you. You see these little anchors or whatever? That's what that is. But this one here did not have that, and instead of just going to buy 2 more, I decided to add a backing that I already had, which was this one, a sawtooth hanger, which required that I'd use screws. So there's 2 screws in there holding that hanger. That's it about the frames. But y'all, tell me what you think about this. How did I do? How did I do? Look into the carpet. Multicolor. Ties in all these colors that I got going on. I got some dark gray. I got some orange. Got New York City on the wall because if you don't know, that's where I'm from. I got some yellow with the gray to bring back that grayness, you know, that we got going on here. I got a little yellow right there. That's why I had to get this throw because I'm like, wait a minute, there's yellow. We got to bring in something else. For right now, I'm feeling this. Really, Zakai? Let me work. So the couch, this is from IKEA. I'm going to link it below. This one I already had, which is a 2-seater, 4-seater actually, because they're wide and deep. And then I added this dark gray color chase from the same line. Now, you're probably thinking, why are they different colors? So I already knew that I wanted to do a dual tone, but this is actually not the color I wanted. The one I wanted is out of stock. So I was like, whatever, let me just go with the dark gray. It still goes with the aesthetics that I have on the bar. And I also have this little what do you call this, a poof. I was like, okay, that will work. This was actually a gift from my uncle. I don't know where he got it from. The rug is from IKEA, and this is from TJ Maxx. And then over here we got what we got going on right here. I'm dealing with what I have for now. Then I got this little basket to add some more throws in there so that when people come over and watch a movie or whatever and sit down and want something to throw on themselves, it'll be right here. Still missing something here in the center. I definitely want like a coffee table and maybe get some coffee table books and replace those. Y'all, you can't tell me nothing, all right? How'd I do? Any suggestions? Let me know in the comment section below. But I'm really loving this so far. Now over here, these chairs gots to go. They're already old and broken, as you can see. I'm gonna try to sew it together in the meantime. I did wanna repurpose this and change the cover. Did some research, but I can only find how to do it with like a staple gun. But as you can see, these are sewed on there, and I'm not good at sewing, so I know that's gonna look trashy if I even try to do the complete thing. And if I did do the stapler, it's gonna show and it's not gonna look right. It's gonna look tacky. So y'all, let me know in the comment section any suggestions. What do you think I should do with them? I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna throw them out or sell it and replace them. I really love the silver on here because it matches with the silver legs of the sofa and the silver that I have around. But that dark brown is killing the vibe. It's really killing everything. But yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like these whenever I do an update in my home, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Also that notification bell so you won't miss out.